Today we shall learn how to find out the HCF of two or more numbers using prime factorization and common division methods. First we'll check out the prime factorization method. Let's take the example of 24 and 36. So first write down the two numbers and then we'll start with 24. Now let's find out the smallest prime number which is a factor of 24, and that is 2. So we divide 24 by 2 and write it down as 12. Next we take the 12 and find out the smallest prime factor, which is 2 again. When divided, it gives us 6. Now take 6 and then find the smallest prime factor again. You get 2, which divides 6 3 times. Now since we've got a prime number, we divide it by the same number to get 1. And we stop here. Next let us consider 36. And starting off with our smallest prime factor 2, we get 18. 18 also has a smallest prime factor of 2, which gives us 9. 9 has a smallest prime factor of 3. So we divide it to get 3 again. Finally we divide 3 by 3 itself to get 1. Next we list out the prime factors of both 24 and 36. The prime factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2 and 3. The prime factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3 and 3. Then we find out what are common between the prime factors of these two numbers. Finally, the HCF of 24 and 36 can be found as the product of these common factors, which would be 2 into 2 into 3, and that is 12. Next we'll move on to another example with larger numbers, 175 and 200. So we'll start off with 175. The smallest prime factor is 5. So divide 175 by 5 to get 35. Now the prime factor of 35 is 5 again. So we divide 35 by 5 to get 7, which is a prime number. So we divide 7 by itself to get 1. The next number is 200, which has the smallest prime factor of 2. So dividing 200 by 2 gives us 100. 100 again has the smallest prime factor of 2. So dividing 100 by 2 we get 50. Now 50 is again divided by 2 to give us 25. 25 has the smallest prime factor of 5. So we divide 25 by 5 to get 5. Now since 5 is a prime number, we stop here by dividing 5 by itself to get 1. Next step is to list out the prime factors of these two numbers. So 175 has the prime factors of 5, 5 and 7. And 200 has prime factors of 2, 2, 2, 5 and 5. The common factors are 5 and 5. So the HCF of 175 and 200 would be the product of 5 and 5, and that is 25. Moving on to common division method. We'll use the same examples discussed already to find out the HCF using this new method. First we have 24 and 36. Now we write them down together and find out the smallest prime number that divides 24 and 36 evenly. So that would be 2 here. Dividing the two numbers by 2 gives us 12 and 18. Now we'll find out the smallest prime number that divides 12 and 18 evenly. That would be 2 again. So dividing, we get 6 and 9. Now the smallest prime factor common to 6 and 9 is 3. So dividing by 3, we get 2 and 3. Now, since 2 and 3 are prime numbers themselves and they do not have any prime factors in common, we stop here. Then we mark the numbers which we had divided that are on the left. So the HCF of 24 and 36 can be written as the product of 2, 2 and 3. And the answer would be 12. Finally, let's do the common division of 175 and 200. The smallest prime factor common to these two numbers would be 5. So dividing these two numbers by 5 gives us 35 and 40. Now again, the smallest common prime factor for 35 and 40 is 5 again. So dividing these two numbers by 5 gives us 7 and 8. Now, since we do not have any common factors between 7 and 8, we stop here and then mark the numbers on your left. Find the product and there you get the HCF of 175 and 200 as 25. Hope this video has helped you understand how to find out HCF using prime factorization and common division methods. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.